Hello student, we have discussed yesterday's period of the chapter matrices, exercise 2.2, example 3 and example 4. So today I am going to start example 5th. Find the inverse of the following matrices by adjoint method. What is the adjoint method? We can take firstly, if A is a non-singular square matrix and second condition is which determinant not equal to 0, therefore then its inverse is exist and it is given by A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. Example number 5. Find the inverse of the following matrices by the adjoint method. That is example first is -1 5 -3 2. This is the 2 by 2 square matrix. Therefore let matrix A is -1 -3 5 2. A is a square matrix. This order is a 2 by 2. We can take firstly determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant of -1 5 -3 2 -3 2. Therefore we solve the determinant of A. Cross the multiplication, -1 into 2 -1 into 2 minus, we multiply the cross product, -3 into 5 -1 into 2. This product is a -2 minus plus 3 into 5 is a 15 -2 plus 15. This addition is -2 plus 15 is a 13. Determinant A equal to 13. Therefore determinant A not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse is a exist. A inverse is a exist. Find the cofactors. We use the formula of cofactors. Cofactors of matrix A. We use the formula Aij equal to -1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Aij, I means row, j means column. Aij equal to -1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore first cofactor is A11. What is the value of A11? Leaving off first row, first column. First row is a -1 5. First column is a -1 -3. Leaving off first row, first column. Therefore A11 is a -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. I is a 1, j is a 1. Therefore -1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a 2 into M11. Leaving off first row, first column. This minor is a 2 -1 square into 2. Therefore -1 square is a plus 1 into 2. This cofactor is a 2. A11 is a 2. We can see the next cofactor. A12 equal to -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into Mij means M12. Aij equal to -1 raised to Mij -1 raised to I plus j into Mij. The value of I is 1, the value of j is 2. A12 equal to -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. Therefore minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is 3 into m12. What is the value of m12? Leaving off first row, second column. Leaving off first row, second column, this minor is the minus 3. Minus 3. Therefore, minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into minus 3. This cofactor is a minus 1 into minus 3. This product is a plus 3. A12 is a 3. And next cofactor A21, second row, first column, equal to, we use the formula minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Minus 1 raised to I plus j means 2 plus 1 into mij means m21. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is a 3 into m21. What is the m21? Second row, leaving off second row, first column, deleting the element of second row and first column, leaving off second row, first column. This minor is a 5. Minus 1 cube into 5. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 is a minus 5. This cofactor is a minus 5. And last cofactor A22 equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j means the value of I is a 2. 2 plus 2 into mij means m22. Minus 1 raised to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is a 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 into m22. What is the value of m22? Leaving off second row and second column. This minor is minus 1. m22 is a minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 is a plus 1 into minus 1. This cofactor is a minus 1. Therefore, cofactors of A. Cofactors of matrix A is A11, A12, A21 and A22 equal to. Cofactors of matrix A is A11, A12, A21, A22. Therefore, A11 is, first cofactor is A11 is a 2, A12 is a 3, A21 is a minus 5 and A22 is a minus 1. This is the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint A equal to transpose of this matrix, transpose of matrix A. What is the transpose? Interchange row and column. We have arranged first row, we arrange in first column. Therefore, 2, 3, interchange row and column. First row we arrange first column, second row we arrange second column, minus 5, minus 1. This is the value of adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to transpose of A. Transpose means interchange row and column. First row, first column, second row, second column. This is the value of adjoint A. Therefore, A inverse equal to, we use the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. We use the formula A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. The value of determinant A is the 13. 1 by 13 into adjoint A. The value of adjoint A is a 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. This is the final answer. A inverse equal to 1 by 13 into 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. Okay. we have discussed the second example. 2 minus 2, 4, 3. This is the square matrix. This order is a 2 by 2. Let matrix A is 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Let matrix A is 2 minus 2, 4, 3. We can take firstly determinant of A. Therefore, determinant of A equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Determinant A equal to determinant of 2 minus 2, 4, 3. This is the 2 rows and 2 columns. This is the square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Therefore, we use the cross product. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is a 6. This direction is a minus. 4 into minus 2, minus 8, and this minus is a plus 8. 6 plus 8, this addition is a 14. 6 plus 8 is a 14. The value of determinant A equal to 14. Therefore, determinant A not equal to 0. A inverse is a exist. Determinant A not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse is a exist. Find the cofactors. Cofactors of matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A equal to, we use the formula. What is the formula of cofactor? We use the formula. Therefore, Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the cofactors formula. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore, first cofactor is A11. A11 equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j means 1 plus 1 into M11. This is a 1 plus 1. This is the first row, first column. This addition is a 2. 2 is an even number. We can directly use plus 1 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a 2 into M11. What is the value of M11? Leaving of first row, first column, this minor is a 3. M11 is a 3, minus 1 square is a plus 1, into 3 is a 3, 1 into 3 is a 3. A11, this addition is a 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 is a even number, we directly use plus 1 into this minor, 1 into 3 is a 3. First cofactor is a 3. Second cofactor A12. A12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. A12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, this addition is a 3. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 is an odd number. We can directly use minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into M12. What is the value of M12? Leaving off first row, second column, this minor is a 4. M12 is a 4, minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into 4. This cofactor is a minus 4. A12 is a minus 4. Therefore, next cofactor is a A21 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into M21. A21 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, this addition is a 3 into M21. What is the value of M21? Leaving off second row, first column. M21 is a minus 2. Minus 1 cube is a -1 into -2. -1 into -2, this product is plus 2. A to 1 is a 2. And last cofactor is A to 2 equal to -1 raised to I plus j means 2 plus 2 into mij means m to 2. -1 raised to 2 plus 2, this addition is a 4. -1 raised to 4 into m to 2. What is the value of m to 2? Leaving off second row, second column, this minor is m to 2 is a plus 2. -1 raised to 4 is a plus 1 into 2. This cofactor is a 2. A to 2 is a 2. Therefore, cofactors of matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A is A11, A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the cofactors of matrix A. This order is 2 by 2. Therefore, A11 first cofactor is A11 is a 3. A12 is a -4. A12 is a -4. A21 is a 2. And A22 is also 2. A11 is a 3. A12 is a -4. A21 is a 2. A22 is a 2. This is the cofactors of A. Therefore, find the value of adjoint A. Adjoint of matrix A equal to transpose of matrix A. This order is a Aij. Adjoint A equal to transpose of A. Transpose means interchange row and column. We arranged 3 minus 4 first row, we arrange first column, 3 minus 4, and 2 to second row, we arrange second column, 2 2. This is the value of adjoint A is 3 2 minus 4 2. Therefore, find the inverse of A. We use the formula inverse A equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. We use the formula A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A, the value of determinant A is 14 into adjoint A. Adjoint A, the value of adjoint A is 3 2 minus 4 2. This is the answer of A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Therefore, 1 by 14, the value of determinant A is 14. 1 by 14 into the value of adjoint A is 3 2 minus 4 2. Okay.